gratitude is an attitude, is a permanent disposition of the Blessed Virgin Mary. She was ever grateful to God for the blessings He had showered on her. She exclaims to Elizabeth, "For He has looked with favor on His lowly servant. Holy is His name." The more we recognize and are grateful to God for His gifts, the more He will bless us. Often we can get so caught up with our problems and concerns, wants and needs that we forget to give thanks to the Lord for all His blessings.
Gratitude is one of the important virtues of Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Here are our students of Standard 12th presenting to you the Carmel Gem of Gratitude. Enjoy.
To be grateful is to recognize the love of God in everything He has given us. Gratitude, therefore, takes nothing for granted, is never unresponsive, is constantly awakening to new wonders, and to praise the goodness of God.
Hello everyone, I'm here to express my love for our Mother of Carmel through a small poem. So the poem goes like, Flower of Carmel, flower of Carmel, spread thy fragrance divine. O brightest star of the sea, may you always shine. Bravest of hearts and sweetest thy face, pray for we sinners and save us by thy grace. Hail Queen of Heaven and the beauty of Carmel, save us from all evil and hide us under thy mantle. O Mother of Carmel, we kneel near thy feet. Protect us by thy scandal till the day we all shall meet.
Music is the most important part of our lives because it's not just about melodies and rhythms, but it is about the feelings and emotions that we express. So here are the students expressing their emotions, love and gratitude towards the Lord through a song.
Just one thing that I want to say, thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord, for all you've given to me.
आस पास है खुदा, तो न जाने आस पास है खुदा.
It was well said by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Cultivate the habit of being grateful for each good thing that comes into your life and to give thanks continuously, because all these things have contributed to your advancement. So here we have Anisa and Nikita telling us about the importance of gratitude through a poem.
I cannot help but recall how much I was little. The smallest of wounds felt so bitter, but the only joy I felt was when my mother's eyes twinkled. But one morning dawn, when I woke up with a big yawn, I had been gripped so tight I could do nothing except having a verbal fight. I was taken into an unknown world where there were dozens too who created a muddle, but all I wanted was my mother's cuddle. I was so scared, thinking about how the world would be just and fair. Would I be cared? And then soon I saw a species so rare, a woman with a stick and glasses meant to be spare. No wonder I thought she'd say how dare, but she instead held me with loving care. Classrooms then became my vanity and fantasies a reality, and my riches finally got sealed after the wait of an entire eternity.
Finite humdrum lessons of science, art and maths laid down our path, and I soon started preparing the final draft. Chaotic lives now became dramatic with the upswing of friends in the attic. Life lessons and ethical values became our foundation, without which we can no longer function. Honorable teachers now became dear. When recalling those moments, I have unbearable tears. And today, as we progress towards the final goal, I can only recall the pictures captured in my camera roll. And now, I try to console my heart and couldn't stop thanking for the wonderful marvel created by our beloved school Carmel. Screams of ecstasy brings back all the fantasies and memories. So leave all your worry and begin this new journey. Journey far away, still a part of it. My beloved Carmel, you will always be remembered by us. Your imprints are deep etched into our heart. Carmel's management is a reverent authority. For them, we are their first priority. I prostrate to you in gratitude. Thank you.
Being grateful must come naturally and spontaneously to us. However, most of us will agree that it is easier said than done. To inculcate this beneficial habit into our lives, we must practice it. When we do it consciously, in no time feeling happy and appreciating even the little things in life becomes very easy. So, on this 98th feast of Our Lady of Mount Carmel, let us all collectively strive to take little steps towards imitating Mother Mary by practicing all the values that we have learned.
Attitude of gratitude. Be delighted for the wonderful life He has given you. Every morning, thank God for the gifts He has given to you. Be thankful for the health, wealth, and prosperity you have. Be thankful for the wonderful family, friends, and neighbors. Be thankful for the sunshine, rain, trees, etc. Be thankful and grateful for all you have. Because attitude of gratitude makes your life feel more happy and fulfilled. You must learn to admire the things you have already because it will make you feel more accomplished. You are more lucky than most of the people around you. Because most of them don't have good family wealth as you. You must feed good things to your mind because what goes inside comes outside. Always focus on good stuffs because it will make your life good. If you feed good stuff in your mind, then your life will be positive, rich and dynamic. Feel blessed and happy because God has plans for you. Don't allow your happiness to be dependent on outside things. Be happy and you will get the things you want. To speak gratitude is courteous, to interact gratitude is generous. Gratitude is with memory is stored in the heart and not in the mind. Trust, respect and compassion should be shared lavishly with gratitude. May you inculcate these values. So we all can walk on the footprints of Mother Mary.
No show is complete without a dance. So here's a dance for you all.
आओ जी आओ घूमरडी खेलवाने पधारो सा घूमरडी खेलवाने मथारो घोरारा घोरावे आस मारो जेवड़ो घणो हिचकावे चमक चमक घुंघरा बाजे आओ सा घूमरडी खेलवाने आओ सा घूमरडी खेलवाने
तनक प्रीत के सर पे उड़कर घूमर घूमर घूमे हाँ घूमर घूमर घूमे
ta drum drum ta drum ta dhalam ko tak tak ko da 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 drum ta ka drum drum ta tak किट ता जम किडतिग जम तणम तरुम किट तंगिडतिग तरिगिडतिग तरित धण ऋण धिनि दजम तनम तरुम तगदिम तकिडतिग तंगिडतिग तरिगिडतिग धिम तरिगिडतिग तजम धिम तजम नम तजम तम तकिट धन तद
It is rightly said that gratitude is the best medicine. It heals your mind, your body, and your spirit, and attracts more things to be grateful for. On this note, I would like to thank our dear students for their graceful performances, our principal, Sister Renuka, our manager, Sister Meena, for their encouragement, and my colleagues and admin staff for their cooperation. A special thanks to Sir Vedant Agarwal for technical support, and a big thank you to you, dear parents. Thank you.
Let's thank our Mother of Mount Carmel for her patronage and protection over all Carmelites, and for the blessings that we receive through her intercession and love.
The season is not over yet. We still have some surprises in store for you. To keep you pondering, here's the end. Once a Carmelite, forever a Carmelite. Keep thinking. Till then, like, share, subscribe.